Hey there, it's Brittany. I am super behind. I got this a while back. It's the Softflex Mystery Design Kit in, I guess it's called Specialty. This has a list of ingredients, and let's go through it. I looked through it when I got it, but I honestly can't remember what's in it. Oh, that's cute. I love that. I love peppermint tea. It's so yummy. Oh, goodness. Let's see what's going on in here. We've got Softflex Bone Color Beading Wire. I think these are ceramic. I think we got something like that around Christmas with Softflex, but I can always use brown beads. We've got some check glass beads. They look like they have a Picasso finish on them. They're little tiles. They're 2 holes. Okay. We've got some fire polish beads. These are yummy gold 7mm. Those are gorgeous. Some sterling silver crimp tubes right here. I love their crimps. Some silver plated ear wires and some jump rings. There's a teaspoon pendant. I am brave and fearless, or I am brave, fearless, and strong. That's cute. Then we've got some more check glass beads. Some piggy beads, and then some coins. These are the piggy beads. Sorry, I just did a video where I was painting, so my hands are covered in paint. These are gorgeous. Love those. Those remind me of like cream that you'd put in your tea, although I take my tea with no cream, no sugar. And then last but not least, we have a Jesse James Bead Specialty Mix. So we have some little acrylic flowers, some large hole mesh beads in a bronzy brown. Ooh, these are fun metal beads. They're kind of heavy too. Little bronze daisies or sunflowers, whichever one you want to call them. Some cage beads. There's nothing in the cage beads. I've never seen that before. That's kind of cool. Some metallic oval crystals. Some metal beads. Those do have crystals inside. We've got some pale pink or peachy cubes. Some faux pearls. Some matte, like champagne color beads. Couple twist. Ooh, these are really pretty. I like this shape. I like this color. That's my favorite bead in this Jesse James Beads mix. And some little tiny rondelles. Some bead caps. And some spacers. All right, I'm gonna find maybe a quick project I can do with this. And then, let's see. You know what, let's just make a necklace. Let's do it. Let's do it. So we can hang this on our necklace. I mean, I could turn this into a pendant also, or well, it already is a pendant, but I could hook it with beads, but I think I'm just gonna use that. Grab a Softflex. I also have another one of these that I haven't opened yet, so video will be there, coming soon for that as well. Okay. I am just designing on the fly here. I have no destination in mind. All right. Okay, there were 7 of these, so I'm gonna put 6. Well, maybe 7. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let's see if I can get this wire through. Sometimes check beads don't have the largest holes, so I need to check to see if I can get this wire through twice. If not, then my idea is not going to work. No, she didn't want to go through twice. So I'm going to keep this off to the side for another project. Oh, these are cabochons. They're not beads. Okay. Okay, I am going to string. That was fast. Just going to put on like 5 of these at the back. You can space with seed beads. I don't have any near me, otherwise I would probably do that. Okay, she is strung. Now you'll notice this is not long enough to be a necklace by itself, but that's the fun of Softflex. You can have this just hanging out in the back and it'll look nice. That's why they cover it with this beautiful covering, and it's very durable too. So I am going to just make it as long as I want. I'm going to measure it on myself, which I always do. And if you want this to just stay in place, you could just put a knot here or a crimp too, but I'm just gonna let the beads do their own thing, hang out, slide around. More interesting that way. Let them talk. And then I'm just gonna take 2 of these crimp tubes, a clasp and a jump ring from the kit. You don't even really need the jump ring. You can make a loop with the wire if you'd like, but I'm going to come into my crimp tube, through my clasp, and not waste very much wire because I had it at the length that I wanted it. And then I just use my regular crimping pliers here. That in the largest valley there, and we squish. Sorry, my thumb was in the way. Turn 90 degrees and squish. Squish again. And then we'll trim off this wire. You can grab a crimp cover out of your stash if you'd like. And then I'm going to do the same thing around my jump ring. I just realized that I put the clasp on the left hand side of the necklace, and I usually don't do that because I'm right-handed, but it'll be okay. And then we'll just do the same thing over here. Squish, 90 degrees, squish again, squish one last time, and trim. And here we have a beautiful necklace using the components from the Design Mystery Kit. I love it. It's so inspirational and just a cute layerable necklace. It's got some, it's neutral, so you could pretty much wear this with anything brown or orange or maybe even blue. and you just throw it on, layer it with something else. So beautiful. Thanks to Softflex for sending me this kit. If you have any questions about the kit, check out the description, and I will put a link there to the Softflex mystery design kits. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye.